Okay, for this assignment, we created the poll or survey, and mine is essentially just over like what they already know about poetry and basic questions of different styles of poetry, if they know them at all, if they like to read or write it, and how much time they spend working with it if they do enjoy it. And then for the responses, you just click over to the next side and you get basically a summary of what was thought, and it puts it in like little pie charts, which is really cool and really helpful because you can use that to analyze, okay, what do I need to spend more time on? What don't they understand? What do they already know beforehand? I think you can break it down, into like individual questions and stuff too, and see like how they answered and stuff like that. So that is basically the explanation of the survey or poll.